Ornith 1.5 is here. We have already put the mixture of expert variant through the paces. Now let's cover the 9 billion brother. This is Ornith 1.59 billion, the lightest member of the family, dense, not mixture of experts, built for single GPU and even mobile deployment in contest format. Like the rest of the 1.5 line, this one is trained with that same self-improving loop, jointly generating its own tasks, scaffolds, and solutions through reinforcement learning rather than following a fixed human-designed harness. This is Fahad Mirza, and I welcome you to the channel. Recently, I also have started this free weekly AI newsletter, which you can subscribe at fahadmirza.substack.com, and you will find the link in first pinned comment too. Let me take you straight to my terminal where I have this Ubuntu. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA 80 GB VRAM A100. I'm just reusing the previous GPU. You don't really need a A100 or H100 for that. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to run this VLLM to download and serve this model. If you are looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Master Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. While that model gets served, let's talk very quickly about this benchmark. Again, the striking thing here isn't just that the 9 billion beats its same size peer, Coin 3.5, it's that it's punching well above its weight class, closing in on or even edging out Coin's much larger 35 billion mixture of expert model on several agentic and reasoning benchmarks. For a dense model small enough to run on a single consumer GPU or even a phone in its mobile variant in GGUF, I think that is a serious result, but we don't really believe in these benchmarks. We are going to test it out. Model is being downloaded. Model is being served. Let me show you the VRAM consumption. So consuming just touch over 72 gig of VRAM. And again, you guys keep asking why it is taking so much VRAM. Here is a reason I keep telling it. You just need to decrease this context length. It will come down. So the lower you will put it, it will come down more. So that is the whole reason that the KV cache is taking or occupying so much VRAM. And I have also configured this model with Hermes agent. Let's test it out. Now for testing this out, we are doing something different today. We are handing this Ornith 1.59 billion real AWS credentials, a real account. This is my personal AWS account. And I'm also giving it this scoped IAM user with EC2 permissions only, not admin. And then I'm going to ask it to provision a free tier Ubuntu instance on its own in this AWS account. So let's see if a 9 billion model can actually operate real cloud infrastructure. This is where my AWS account and AWS CLI is already configured. So let me clear it up and let me quickly launch that Hermes agent. It should be able to detect that 9 billion model. And now let me give it a goal. So let me paste that goal here. So this is a goal. So you can see I'm asking it to use AWS CLI, the tool. So we will also check tool call, launch a new EC2 instance running Ubuntu in US East 1 region. As you just saw, there was no instance there, and then there are few other requirements. It needs to configure security group. It needs to create the IPs and all that stuff in the proper VPC subnet. Everything it needs to figure out. There is nothing here at the moment. Let's see how it goes about it. It has already authenticated AWS CLI. So this is a self-improving loop where it plans, it executes, it verifies, comes back and improves it, and then builds on top of it. And we saw it in detail in this mixture of expert video. I would highly recommend you to also check this video out, which we published just this morning. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish and then we will check it out further. And look, if you want to help out the channel, just go to the home page of channel. From there, click on this become a member link and become a member. That keeps the lights on the channel. And the funny bit is that it is already running those AWS CLI commands and then getting some AMI IDs, as you can see, describe images, and then in the proper region, and then it is getting some of the Amazon Linux, but it needs to find the Ubuntu images, and that is where it is fixing, and then just checking it out all the public images. And you know what? The model is really struggling with getting the AWS CLI command right. Because the thing is that it is trying to access the public images. There are thousands of them. So it is just getting confused which AMI ID to pick up. And that is where it is just trying to go through a lot of data. So you see, it is making typos. I think it is getting confused now. We are really stretching it to the extreme. Apparently, the task is simple, but getting it right through CLI agentics, it's not that easy. So that is where I think we have to be very realistic instead of hyping these agentic stuff too much. Um, for a human, it is just a simple CLI command or maybe 3 clicks from the console of AWS. But when you give it to agent, you can see that it has already consumed like 43,000 I mean tokens or so in terms of its goal and hasn't even completed one goal. So 7 minutes have already passed. It is still going through it. We just have to be realistic where AI is at for the real world tasks at the moment. And the model has thrown up its hands as you can see. Okay, so it just, I'll just show you. I think, okay, it just moved on. So basically, it was just telling me that it got confused, it couldn't do anything. So instead of just, waiting, so I'm going to steer the model. I'm just going to ask it, you know, this is the AMI ID. Let's do it now. So I have just steered it. You see, now the model is going to hopefully proceed efficiently. There you go. So I have confirmed it is a VM. This is the AMI ID. Let's see if it is able to do it now. And it has hit another snag. It is really having a very rough time. So, but you see that I think it is unable to use that tool in shell properly and cannot really interpret that. So, which is I think a limitation of this 9 billion model. But it is proposing this browser one that switch to browser exec. So let's try that one out because I think that is a good option, or we should also say that a self correction, even model is acknowledging that. Let's see if it is able to do it now. You see, Chrome is not available. It is going back to the terminal. I'm going to, you know what, I'm going to steer it or just to ask it, I'll just say steer, just only create the damn friend. You see, it is now hallucinating in Chinese. So I have just said, there you go. Nothing is happening. This is hallucination in front of you as is. And it is also telling me that it is unable to do so. The 9 billion model is not impressive at all at the moment. It is not doing anything. So I will call it a fail. I'll cancel it. I don't have whole day and I have a lot of other things to do. I'm just going to cancel this. It is out. So let's give it another chance. I'm going to ask it to do a code generation. Okay, let's give it relatively simple, not that simple, but still relatively simple one to create a rotisserie chicken on the flames, open flame, and it should be a single self-contained HTML file and save it locally. Let's see what it does. And midway check, you can see that it even struggling on this simple task um, and unable to really write the script. I think there is some problem in their training where it produces a lot of garbage when it tries to actually produce the result. This 9 billion one. The other one, the 35 billion one, the mixture of expert one was quite fine and of quite a good quality. Anyway, I will just let it run to completion and then we will go from there. Okay, so here is honest take. Let me show you something. This is the hallucination. The model is totally cooked. I don't think so. This is a model anyone should be using. Um, I mean, I could just give it like produce a Fibonacci number or add two numbers, but that is not what we test on this channel. Things have moved a lot. So 9 billion total no, total rubbish, whereas the other 35 billion one, the mixture of expert one is quite good. That is my take. Let me know your thoughts on the basis of the actual testing. Very, very keen to know that. Thank you for all the support.